we would like to write something and see our result. To see anything you write in HTML page, if you would like to write anything in your HTML page and you would like to see it when you open this page using any web browser, for example, if you use Firefox or Google Chrome browser, you would like to see what you wrote in the HTML file, you must write inside the body tag, because if you write anything in the head tag, you cannot see it. The head tag belongs to, or in another expression, we use the head tag for some specific processes, or we use this tag for some things we will talk about it later. Now we would like to write something and see it when we try to open this file index.html in any web browser. For example, we write a tag called marq, and we write here, welcome to our website. We would like to give a style to this marq. We go to style, right here marq. We would like to give a color. We would like to give a color to this marq. Right here color, red, like this. You write the code in CSS language, write this. You write the tag name, use brackets, write attribute and the value. Control S to save changes. Here Control S to save changes. We would like to see our result, what we wrote. Here is our folder. Try to open it. Right click, open with, for example, Firefox. If you see, this is marq. Welcome to our site. Animated text. marq make animated text. What about if we would like to increase the font size? Go to style.css, right here, font size. For example, make it 30 pixels. Font size 30 pixels. 30 pixels. Here, right click, reload. We would like to make underline or make a line under this text. For example, we go to style.css, we write text decoration, underline, reload. We would like to make a background color for this text. Background color. You can use any color from this list. For example, we can write yellow. Yes. After writing any attribute, you must press Ctrl plus S to save changes. We write here the attribute and or property and the value. Property and the value, attribute or value, anything. Right click, reload. If we would like to add another text, You can go to back to index inside the body tag. After mark Q, we can add now H1 is a test project. We would like to give a style to this H1 tag. Go to style H1. We give it color green, font size 30 pixel, font width, this is a font width, we bold. You can select any of these values if you would like, but we will use the value bold. Background color gray, Control S. Let's see the result. Right click. Yes, this is called H1. We would like to change the color because the green, if we used green with gray, it doesn't give a good looking. So we can use the color white. Reload. You can make reload from here or right click reload. H2 is a second level. H is abbreviation for the word heading line. We use this H1, H2. Of course. If you see H1 is bigger than H2, you can use H3, H4, H5, H6. You use this to the main heading, subheading, and H3 subheading for H2, H4 subheading from or for H3. Hello. Hi. If you see small, big, bigger and bigger. H1, H2, H3, H4. What about if we would like to add an image? We would like to add an image here. What steps should we follow to add an image? First, you must have an image. For example, we can use this image. Right click, copy. Right click here in our test folder, paste. If we open the folder here, we already opened it. Okay, close. Double click here. Here is the image. We need this image to be inserted on our web page. What shall we do? We go here to brackets, write this tag, image img src equal. This is the name of the image, ok.jpg, and close the tag. Control S to save changes.